Logie, what are you doing? What are you doing, love? Are you making sounds? Yeah. Are you pooping? Are you just being cute? Can you give us a smile? No smile? Serious. It's serious business. It's serious business going on. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy. It's serious. Oh, honey. Can we get a smile? Can we get a little smile? No smile? No smiles. Oh, what's happening? Oh. Today is November 27th. Logie is 1 month and 3 days. I love you, honey. Yes, that's what we wanted. A smile. Yeah. I love you. Mommy loves you. Daddy loves you. Grandma and Grandpa love you. All kinds of people love you. Auntie Nat, Uncle Andrew. Okay. Say bye. Say bye for now. Bye. Yep, that was a wave. Bye for now.